Inflation is hitting harder than ever, and for many retirees, it feels like the world is moving out from under their feet. In this video, we're going to talk about the biggest financial mistakes people make during inflation and how you can avoid them. If you're serious about protecting your wealth, stick around to the end, and I'll show you a strategy that's been helping thousands of Americans safeguard their retirement savings. One of the biggest mistakes I see during times of inflation is not adjusting investment strategies. Many people stick to the same investment tactics they used when inflation was low, but with rising prices, your portfolio might not be performing as it should. Stocks, for example, can be highly volatile, and during inflation, they often struggle to keep pace with rising costs. If you're holding large amounts of stocks in your IRA or 401k, inflation might be eroding your buying power faster than you realize. If you're serious about protecting your wealth during inflation, now's the time to consider diversifying. And here's where a gold IRA can make a huge difference. Unlike stocks or bonds, gold tends to hold its value, especially when inflation is high. Thousands of Americans are choosing gold IRAs to protect their wealth. If you want to learn why, click the first link in the description to get a free gold IRA guide. It'll help you make informed decisions that could secure your future. Another common mistake is focusing too much on short-term fixes. A lot of retirees panic and start pulling money out of long-term investments, thinking it's safer to hold cash. But here's the thing. Holding cash is a losing strategy in inflationary times. The dollar is losing value, and you're likely to lose more in the long run by keeping large sums in cash or low-interest accounts. Instead, consider reallocating to assets like gold that appreciate over time. Gold is not just a hedge against inflation, it's a timeless store of value. The value of gold often increases as inflation rises, making it an ideal choice for retirees looking to preserve their wealth in uncertain times. If you're looking for a quick win in terms of inflation protection, gold IRAs are one of the best options out there. Again, don't forget to check out the link in the description to see how it could benefit your retirement. Another mistake I see is not planning for healthcare costs. Many retirees underestimate how inflation will impact their medical expenses, especially as they age. Medical costs are rising at a rate higher than general inflation, and if you're not preparing for these expenses, it can quickly deplete your savings. It's crucial to allocate part of your retirement savings for healthcare expenses, and again, gold IRAs can be an excellent solution here. By diversifying your assets into something like a gold IRA, you're setting yourself up with a secure financial cushion that can be used for long-term healthcare needs. If you're someone with 100K pluses in your IRA or 401k, or even 5M plus in savings, you need to act now to protect your wealth. Gold IRAs give you a way to insulate your retirement from inflation's impact while preserving your purchasing power for the future. Finally, let's talk about debt. Many retirees carry debt into their golden years, and with inflation, that debt becomes even more burdensome. High interest debts, like credit cards, can be a huge drain on your finances, especially when inflation is pushing prices up. It's essential to prioritize paying down high interest debt before it snowballs. But if you're holding onto significant savings, a gold IRA could help you balance out that debt. Gold can act as an asset that grows over time, freeing you up to manage your finances better while protecting against inflation. As we wrap up, if you're looking to make sure your retirement savings stay secure and thrive during these inflationary times, now's the time to consider alternatives to traditional investments. Gold IRAs are a perfect fit for American retirees with 100K plus in their IRA or 401k, or even 5 million plus in savings. If you haven't already, click that link in the description to get your free gold IRA guide and consultation. This is your chance to act and protect your wealth before inflation eats away at it. Take control of your financial future, and remember, gold IRAs are a safe haven during uncertain times.